Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We have some big changes on the way. We had some extremely nice weather these last several days, and really over the last week. Most of our last 7+ days have been fairly nice, but things are going to change and start to kind of resemble October a little bit. Maybe not terrible, though. It won't be terrible by any means. It's just going to be cooler out there. Let's take a look at your forecast now. We do have a cold front that's made its way through most of the viewing area now, and behind that front we do have some cool air, but it's not that bad this morning for most of us. We have partly to mostly cloudy skies and even a few showers, especially in the northern part of the state. That's going to be the best chance of rain today is to the north. I'd say the northern third of the state of Nebraska, north of Broken Bow, Ord. Most of us some passing clouds. Partly to mostly cloudy, a mild day for most of us in the 60s, some cooler 50s to the north and northwest, and a bit on the breezy side out there. In fact, quite breezy, if not even a little bit windy out there for this afternoon. Heading into tonight, the winds will die back and the skies will clear up, leading to a chilly night ahead of us. Most of us will dip back into the 30s for overnight lows. And then heading into your Tuesday, a sunny day, a little bit breezy again, and I'm going to call it cool as we try to get back towards 60 degrees. Again, we haven't been this cool in a while, but that's pretty typical. Our average high is about 60 degrees, so it's going to be a pretty typical day for this time of the year. So temps for today, mid to upper 50s and lower 60s up towards the north with the chance of some showers in the northern part of the viewing area. To the west, partly cloudy on average, low to mid 60s for highs. Low to mid 60s around the Tri-Cities with upper 60s to near 70 degrees in northern Kansas, and off towards the east we're looking at temperatures mid to upper 60s for this afternoon, possibly approaching 70 degrees out towards Lincoln. Your extended forecast, again around 60 for your Tuesday after that chilly start. Another chilly night ahead of us for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as temps could drop back to around freezing. Heading into your Wednesday and Thursday, mid 60s looks okay for this time of the year, above average temps, lots of sunshine. Winds do start to pick up on Thursday as a cold front comes through, and we'll start to feel that colder air come in for Thursday night into Friday. In fact, Friday, Halloween, probably the coldest day of the next 7 for most of us as we see highs only in the mid-50s, just a little bit below average for this time of the year, so actually a pretty typical Halloween, just not as warm as it has been or really as warm as we've seen the past couple of years. So probably going to be in the 40s for the trick-or-treaters out there Friday evening. Weekend looking pretty nice, actually. I think we'll be back in the 60s. Winds will stay a bit on the breezy side out there. I did throw in a chance of rain for Sunday. Doesn't look like a big deal, at least at this point. We'll have to wait and see on that as it's still pretty far away yet. But some warmer air does build in. And, of course, remember, Saturday night, late night, we fall back. We move our clocks back an hour, which means an extra hour of sleep over the weekend. Also means that it's going to start getting darker a lot earlier, but at the same time, if you're an early riser, you get light a little bit earlier in the day, at least for a few weeks before the time again continues to kind of, or at least the daylight continues to get shorter and shorter as we progress towards the first day of winter. So yeah, again, looking at this forecast, can't really complain about a whole lot for this time of the year. Looks pretty decent. We've had way worse for a Halloween. I'm sure some of you do remember that. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great Monday.